The Westinghouse steam-assisted cooking is perfect for all your meat, poultry and fish dishes, bringing out all the natural flavours and goodness in your food. To start, open the water drawer in the control panel by pressing it. Pour approximately 850 ml of water into the drawer. Then, stop filling if alarm sounds and water tank full message is displayed. Set your oven to steam cooking function and set the temperature. You can set the timer function as well. Place your dish in the oven once the temperature is reached. The full tank of water will last approximately 30 minutes, so keep in mind you may need to refill during a long cooking cycle. Once cooking is complete, remove the food and turn off the oven. Leaving the oven door ajar will assist in drying out your oven. Once your oven is completely cool, remember to empty your water tank after each steam-assisted cycle. Open the door to locate the water outlet valve. Place the supply drain hose with the valve end in the outlet, making sure the other end is in a container that can be filled up to 1 litre. The water will drain from the oven. Westinghouse steam-assisted cooking consistently produces food that is juicier on the inside and crispier on the outside.